Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring a critical aspect of medical device manufacturing, extractables and leachables testing, also known as E&L testing. Under ISO 10993, ensuring the safety and biocompatibility of medical devices is paramount, and E&L testing plays a crucial role in this process. Let's dive in. In medical device manufacturing, ensuring the safety and biocompatibility of products is paramount. As part of the biological evaluation process, extractables and leachables E&L testing is essential. This testing ensures that any chemicals that might migrate from the device materials into the body do not pose a risk to patients. The ISO 10993 standard series provides comprehensive guidelines for the biological evaluation of medical devices, including protocols for E&L testing. So, what are extractables and leachables? Extractables are chemicals that can be extracted from device materials under aggressive laboratory conditions, such as high temperature or solvent exposure. These conditions are designed to simulate the worst-case scenario of chemical release from the device. Leachables, on the other hand, are chemicals that can migrate from device materials under normal usage conditions. This might include exposure to bodily fluids, contact with medications, or prolonged storage. Why is E&L testing important? Let's break it down into 4 key reasons. 1. Patient safety identifies potentially harmful chemicals that could leach from the device and cause adverse reactions in patients. 2. Regulatory compliance. Many regulatory bodies, including the FDA and EMA, require comprehensive E&L testing as part of the approval process for medical devices. 3. Product quality ensures that no harmful substances leach from the device, maintaining high product quality and reliability. 4. Reduction of animal testing demonstrates that chemical levels are below toxicological concern, reducing or eliminating the need for animal testing. ISO 10993 is a set of international standards for the biological evaluation of medical devices. It provides a risk management framework to identify potential biological hazards associated with medical devices. E&L testing falls under ISO 1099312 and ISO 1099318, which cover sample preparation and chemical characterization, respectively. Let's walk through the E&L testing process. 1. Study design and preparation. Designing the study to reflect the intended use of the medical device, selecting appropriate solvents and extraction conditions. 2. Extraction. Exposing the device or its components to selected solvents under controlled conditions to ensure comprehensive chemical release. 3. Analytical testing. Using advanced analytical techniques like GCMS, LCMS, and ICP-MS to identify and quantify extractables. 4. Leachable testing. Storing the device in its final packaging and exposing it to conditions that simulate clinical use over an extended period, then analyzing the extracts. 5. Toxicological risk assessment. Evaluating identified extractables and leachables for their potential health risks against established safety thresholds. Now, let's dive into ISO 10993 Part 17 and ISO 10993 Part 18, 2 key components of the E&L testing framework. ISO 10993 Part 17 provides guidance on determining allowable limits for leachable substances. It focuses on assessing the risk posed by chemical substances that could migrate from device materials into the patient's body. ISO 10993 Part 18 outlines the procedures for the chemical characterization of materials used in medical devices. It provides detailed guidance on identifying and quantifying the chemical constituents of device materials. E&L testing is particularly important for medical devices containing plastics, metals, and ceramics. Each of these materials can pose unique challenges in terms of chemical leaching. Plastics can contain additives and residual monomers that might leach out and cause toxicity. Metals can release metal ions such as nickel, chromium, and cobalt, which may cause allergic reactions or cytotoxic effects. Ceramics. Despite their inert nature, ceramics can still release trace elements or undergo degradation under certain conditions. One of the significant benefits of E&L testing is its potential to reduce the need for animal testing. When E&L testing demonstrates that the levels of extractables and leachables are below toxicological concern, it provides sufficient evidence that the device is unlikely to cause harm to patients. This data can be used to support biocompatibility claims, potentially satisfying regulatory requirements without the need for additional animal studies. While E&L testing is critical, it comes with its challenges. Complexity of materials. Medical devices often comprise multiple materials, making it difficult to predict and analyze all potential extractables and leachables. Analytical sensitivity. Detecting and quantifying trace levels of chemicals requires highly sensitive and precise analytical methods. Regulatory expectations. Keeping up with evolving regulatory requirements and expectations can be demanding. In summary, extractables and leachables testing is a vital component of the biological evaluation of medical devices, ensuring patient safety and regulatory compliance. Adhering to the guidelines set forth in ISO 10993, including ISO 10993 Part 17 and ISO 10993 Part 18, helps manufacturers systematically assess and mitigate risks associated with chemical leachables from medical devices. By understanding and implementing robust E&L testing protocols, manufacturers can ensure their devices are safe, reliable, and ready for clinical use, ultimately protecting patient health, enhancing the quality of healthcare, and reducing the reliance on animal testing. Patient Guard Limited offers comprehensive extractables and leachables E&L testing services for medical devices, ensuring that all potential risks and regulatory requirements are meticulously addressed. By choosing Patient Guard, customers gain peace of mind knowing that our expert team considers every aspect of medical device safety and compliance in the design of E&L testing protocols. We pride ourselves on delivering cost-effective and efficient solutions, helping you meet industry standards while maintaining high product quality. Trust Patient Guard Limited to safeguard your products and, ultimately, the patients who rely on them. Thank you for watching. For more information on our services, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. See you next time.